In class, we talked about the basic idea behind Ohm's law and how to manipulate the equation E equals IR. We had a couple different ways we looked at it. One of the ways we looked at it was to build this little pie chart, if you will. It shows E, I, and R. The idea behind that is for visual learners to see quickly how you can determine how to use Ohm's law. As an example, if I want to find out the proper equation for calculating E, which is voltage. Using this chart, I cover up the thing that I want to find out. I want to find out E, so I cover it. That means E equals I times R. If I want to calculate resistance, I would cover the R. Now my calculation is R equals E divided by I. Similarly, if I cover I to find out what I is, I equals E divided by R. So that's a neat little chart. From an algebraic perspective, E equals IR is the basic equation for Ohm's law. To manipulate that, if I wanted to say find out what R or I was, I can manipulate this by E equals IR. If I divide both sides by I, those I's will cancel, and that'll leave me with R equals E over I. Same thing as if I did this, like the R equals E over I. Similarly, if I divide both sides by R, those R's cancel, and I would get I equals E over R. Same thing I've got over here. Both methods work. You may find this more handy when you get into situations where you're trying to combine Ohm's law and the power equation, which we'll see in another video. So some examples of calculations using Ohm's law. If I had a series circuit with a current of 2 amps, resistance of 100 ohms, what's my voltage? Well, E equals IR, so the voltage equals 2 amps times 100 ohms gives me 200 volts. If voltage was 12 volts and current was 0.5 amps, calculate the resistance. Okay, R equals E over I, as we demonstrated over there. So it's 12 volts divided by 0.5 amps, so my resistance is 24 ohms. And if voltage was 24 volts and resistance was 12 ohms, calculate I, well, I equals E over R, as we determined a moment ago. 24 volts divided by 12 ohms is 2 amps. Notice that in each situation I'm using the base units, amps, ohms, volts. In another video we'll talk about why that's important when we start mixing milli and kilo into the equation.